Hi internet. I'm trying out a new camera. I don't know if I'm getting a good shot of my face, but I don't want to get out of bed. There's always this moment where I wake up and I just go, yeah. So much to edit. It's terrible how much I have to edit. I'm so mad at myself for not doing the vlogs over the weekend. I'm glad I recorded, but it sucks that I didn't do anything. I could just do all raw files and just throw it up on the internet, but that'd be no fun. This is what happens when you bring home a dozen donuts. Overnight, this is the result. Seriously, it's actually whatever. I didn't need to eat all of them anyway. Well, how does that even happen? A half a dozen in one day. Kitties. Hi. How are you? Okay. I did not even bother looking outside today. Okay, even though there's a giant window, but when I did look outside, I realized that it's snowing. You gotta start my car up, warm up the old bitch. I'm gonna put the rest of the donuts downstairs for the weekend, when I can just wake up and have a nice donut and not have to worry about them being gone already. And now I'm gonna make a 2-minute breakfast of eggs. Delicious. What's up, dude? How you doing? Aww. He's a cool guy. He's a fat squirrel. He's a big fat squirrel. I love the squirrels. I love animals. Yay! Of how many squirrels are probably out there right now freezing their asses off. Or they're actually really warm. I don't know. I mean, look at how thick his coat is. Look at how thick his coat is. It's probably really thick. They're not just rats with wings. Jerks. Hello, internet. I really like this small camera. It's a lot easier. Open 12 to 5. This is the exhibit that we're at. Maybe I'll go and check it out. Yeah, we'll record it. I like the skateboards. It's melted. It's melted and there's snow everywhere. So it's kind of like a lot easier to walk. Oh. Alright! Yeah, that was the exhibit, or that was the art show that we're playing at on Saturday, which is cool. And right now, I'm not gonna fall, but just have to go in, chill out for a minute, and then Tom is gonna come. We're gonna jam some guitars. Yes! So easy. Say hi, Tom.
Cool. What's good? It's cool these days.
It's cool these days.
I didn't shower today, probably. No, I didn't. It's been a long day, but it still looks way better than my old hair, so I can't.
We can stand in the front window.
No, that
like
is
showcasing.
So, no, we're trying to. That is so gay. I hate the window.
Seriously, Tom. Like, what are you doing?
What do you mean?
Do you want to do any other songs right now? Do you want to record any songs right now? 1, 2.
Oh, fuck himself. He doesn't want me to take pictures. Like, Jesus. I want to knock it over, but I'm really afraid it's gonna fall and hurt my back.
You cannot knock that over. It's way too thick. It's way too thick.
I had a really big icicle fall on me once. Sometimes just bad stuff happens to Tom. I'm just like, well, fuck. Alright. I take all precautions. Don't you just like living life, like doing things? Come on.
I definitely know what you mean. I was basically about to take it the week before.
Every day I just feel like I do whatever the fuck I want. Every day. Every single day.
Me too. Me too. Me too.
We don't want that. We want an energy drink. You said you were coming in for energy drinks. Look, there's the blue one.
That's tea.
There's the blue one, man.
Can I have that one too?
Yeah, of course, man. I hope.
So, we're going to go jam at Tom's house now, and it's kind of late. Well, the reason why we're kind of doing this is because today it's quiet hour now here at Sterling's house. So I'm kind of excited to see. Well, I don't know. I just want to practice. It should be interesting, and I can't wait to vlog it. Say hi! Hey, Chance, say hi to the internet.
What's up, internet?
How are you?
Have a Dr. Pepper?
Chance, we all need things now.
Come on.
Well, here. I think we're gonna make a pizza and ice cream run.
Not you, we're buying pizza.
Okay, we're buying pizza.
Dude, they got that $10 dinner box of pizza box.
They got a $10.
Me and Sterling just chill while you guys do that.
Flavor sauce.
Hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Tom.
Are you vlogging?
What's good? He's vlogging.
Where's my...
Hey, he vlogged us driving down fucking Irving.
I actually accidentally started it when I bought a flip
Yeah, we're just driving down Irving.
I'm gonna start vlogging, you know.
That's bullshit, dude. I've been wanting to vlog. I've been vlogging way before that.
Where do you post it?
You got a flip.
Consistently though.
Not consistently. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to record with this one, with that flip one, and with my other one. I'm gonna try to get like multiple shots of.
Which one do we record? This one?
That one I'm gonna set up on that tripod over there. If you
Stop! Tom! Guys, you guys.
He swung on me 3 times. That was the last strike.
Stop! Both of you cut it out. They're fighting, and it's mean, and they're cool. Make love.
I'll hit you too.
Shut up.
Hey!
Nobody likes
Hey! Stop hitting me, guys! Stop! That's not cool.
Marjorie Stewart Baxter, and this is Jeremy Fisher. Say hello.
They're watching Salad Fingers.
This is so freaking weird. This is ridiculous. Still pretty decent quality, if I do say so myself.
Just appreciate it.
What? What do you mean just appreciate it?
Art. Just one guy made this. You know,